So based off of what you're trying to do, a few things tend to be universally important. And one is if you start to see a temperature rise inside of a grain bin, it's important. And we track that in a couple ways. So we're going to ask you simply, what do you deem to be a hot spot in a bin? If your grain gets over X temperature, where do you think that that's a problem and you need to deal with it? So I'm going to have a block that says if 85 degrees is what you deem to be an emergency temperature, I'm going to send you a text message that you've got grain in this bin that hit 85 degrees. But we want to be more proactive when we can. So the way that we handle that is we look at a rate of rise. So if you want to say that I saw a 5-degree temperature rise in my bin over 5 days, and that's enough to be concerning to me and I want to get notified, then I'm going to have an alert. And it's simple as 5-degree temperature rise over 5 days with 85 degrees being the threshold. And if either one of those thresholds are hit, I'm going to send you a text message or an email saying this bin, these are the conditions. If you choose, we can do the same with CO2, where you see a 1,000 part per million rate change in CO2 over a week. We can send you a text message, but we don't want to inundate you. We just want to tell you whenever things are not behaving quite the way they should be. Immediately from the alert, you can go ahead and click the link and it'll take you straight to your bin, and then we can start to make decisions. Now, based off what products you've got in the bin, whether it's got a full automation or your monitor only, is going to determine how we respond. But if we've got full automation, quite often the fans will go ahead and come on and start to deal with the problem quicker than what you're able to log in. Now, if it's monitor only, you can see what the conditions are and see what the rate of change is, and then you make a decision. Do I need to run my fans so that I can cool it off? Do I need to pull grain so that I can just get rid of the problem? And if you don't know quite what you should do, you call your dealer partner that is also there to provide support, and they can help walk you through the best solutions.